Tree Arena is obviously the biggest indoor venue in the country, and Tree have had a long association with it and with music. We felt we should, invest our technology into Tree Arena to make people's experience there even better. We upgraded our 4G and 5G network infrastructure there. We've really improved all coverage and throughput throughout the building to make people's experience even better there when they go to concerts. People go to gigs, they use their phones for everything these days. They have their tickets on their phones, they're paying for stuff on their phones, they're trying to plan their journey home on their phones, sending pictures and videos to their friends. Before the concert, we did a test at a sellout show. It was take 6 seconds to upload a 5 meg video. Now it takes 2.5 seconds. People can do whatever they need to do really quickly and seamlessly and get home and enjoy the show. Electric Picnic's the biggest festival in Ireland, and there's 80,000 people attend. So it's very important that everyone can get connectivity when they're down there for 3 days without access to phones and the internet in other ways. So we put up 3 temporary masts, and we have a permanent site down there, and we even enhance our coverage in the Tree's hospitality areas. Last year we seen 160 terabits of data used and 1.2 million phone calls made. So like 160 terabits is like equivalent to 40 million photographs. So it's a massive amount of data used by people while they're down there. We've invested in all large venues in the country to ensure that people can enjoy. We've got Crow Park, the Aviva Stadium, the Tree Olympia. We've enhanced the coverage in all these places to make people's experience better. In addition, I suppose Tree have the Tree Plus app, and you can get pre-sale tickets on the Tree Plus app, access to the Tree Plus lounge for pre and post parties at the Tree Arena, ticket enhancements. So there's loads of stuff there to help our customers really enjoy music, and it's a sign of Tree's commitment to music and long-standing relationship with the music industry in Ireland and investment. When you go to a concert, you really connect with your friends and family, so it's a natural fit for us. Connectivity is the heart of what Tree do, so it makes complete sense for us to be involved in music. We love our association with music, and it makes our customers happy.